Looking for the best electric nail drills? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 electric nail drills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Beurer Electric Manicure and Pedicure Kit. Stands out for its dust shield and LED light, 2 useful features that enhance home manicure tasks. Quick and easy to adjust the speed and rotation direction. Includes 8 quality attachments and a storage case. This lightweight and portable nail drill features a handy LED light to illuminate your nails as you work. There is a bit of a learning curve to using some of the components. At number 2. YaFex Portable Electric Nail Drill. Although inexpensive, this electric nail drill comes well stocked with features including 6 drill bits and 30 sanding bands. Drill is compact and easy to operate and transport. Low noise output. Nail clippers included. Get salon quality manicures at home for an affordable price with this well-made drill that comes with multiple accessories. A few drills arrived with missing pieces. Not as powerful as some pricier models. At number 1. Makartt JD700 Nail Drill Machine. Offers variable speeds between 0 and 30,000 revolutions per minute, with forward and reverse options. Foot switch included for hands-free control. Very easy to operate and maintain. Comes with 3 drill bits to get you started. A powerful precision nail drill capable of going up to 30,000 RPM. Durable and strong enough to remove even acrylic tips. Some users report the machine overheating in rare cases. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.